Hmm.
Are you just stuck in the sky somewhere?
I don't know if I'm moving anymore because it's not light anymore. So that's my main concern, if I'm even moving anymore. Well, at least I'm safe from all the fucking IKEA workers.
We trapped. Didn't. What happened to the ones that we trapped? Are they still in there, or did they escape?
No clue. Is there even an? Can you even leave the IKEA?
No, there is no leave. You cannot leave IKEA. It's meant to be known as the infinite IKEA.
Ah.
I'm still just running in a straight line. Oh, there we go.
Oh dear God, it's so bright.
Oh fuck. It's fucking
Please
music.
I'm on my way down.
You're on your way down? I have no clue where the fuck you are. Can you like look for a like a pillar?
It's all grey with a green bed. You were kicked from this game. Magnitude check failed. What?
I guess that means that you were in the air for too long.
Client detected too far for server.
You were in the climbing animation for too long. Some servers actually have that because they don't think you're doing something correctly, because most scripts are made out of like infinitely climbing. So sometimes they'll just kick you for extra measure. They won't ban you from the game obviously, because who the fuck? Why would you ban someone from this game? It's literally just like a sandbox game.
Oh, I can't fly anymore.
Where the fuck even are you?
I joined back near C3.
Well, you are this way then, and that way. I'm on the other side of the fucking map from you.
No. I've been looking for the GameCube and I cannot fucking find it.
There's GameCubes normally by where the TVs spawn. Some people might have already picked them up and brought them somewhere.
I found the bed I glitched with, at least.
This is just upside down somewhere. Adam, hello.
Or is that you over there? No, it's just on its side. Here's the glorious flying machine.
How in the fuck?
The fuck you just glitched out for me. I basically picked it up like it was upside down. I picked it up like that to get inside the house to move it, and I just started to fly backwards. Then I decided to fly upwards.
So you picked it up while I was like this?
Yeah, it was upside down. I just picked it up like.
Game rules.
Don't know how the fuck I did it.
Oh, I placed it on the bathtub.
Ow. I'm persistent in finding that fucking GameCube.
It's the second you say that you find one.
Yes!
Then we have to make a house and make sure we can keep it.
This is my treasure.
We're rebuilding this mostly out of bed, I think, because
I don't care. Found the GameCube.
Found my GameCube.
Time to screenshot. I'm happy now.
Fuck you, Michael. We actually found one.
Give me a sec. I'll message him now just to let him know.
Watch him like instantly jump on, even though he's like in the shower or some shit. He's gonna try and steal it from you now that you told him, probably.
I will run from him. I will run as far as I possibly can. Just to keep this GameCube safe. No, why didn't let me send the message? It worked the second time. Fuck off, Lofty, it's mine. Leave my GameCube alone.
Try my hardest to build a wall out of anything I can find.
Basically just build it out of anything. I need to find somewhere to hide the GameCube. Doesn't fit in a toaster. Not a toaster, microwave.
Just try and like hide it or like tuck it away a little bit, and then just make a waypoint with it.
Can I get? I cannot get it in a fridge. I can get it halfway in a toaster.
You can put it inside of one of these things over here, inside of the bathtub if you want to.
Yeah.
Or I can make a little cubby hole for it. Yeah, just put it like right in that corner, and then I can put like something over it, like a ladder or something. We will forever remember this moment as Adam found a GameCube. He's happy.
Damn right I am. Photo. There we go.
It's gonna be more more achievement worthy than you fucking graduating high school.
Damn right. I'll look back on this and say,
you like
what's the
get a
most
fucking Xbox 360 achievement above your screen saying you found one of the rarest items in the game. Good job. Now you have almost no life. Because you spent most of it looking for a fucking GameCube.
It was just how I said, oh, I need to find a GameCube, then just say it instantly.
I need to find a GameCube. Oh.
Instantly underneath this.
I wonder when the guy himself is gonna join Mickle. I wonder when he's gonna join.
I have no clue.
Probably very, very soon now you told him that we found a GameCube.
Alright. He said there's nothing, by the way.
Let's like ping everyone in Discord about it. I found a GameCube, fuck you.
Yeah,
fuck you all, I
my
found
life.
a GameCube, my life is completed.
I know what I'm gonna do, that's gonna be my new... Oh, fuck.
You're really happy about that GameCube, aren't you?
Fucking right, I'm happy about it.
Oh shit!
Oh no!
Just the GameCube, man.
You're just a human. This is rarer.
It's
It's a human, this is rarer.
you're a Neanderthal. You're even rarer than a human.
Ah!
Where is it? Get it away
It's
from me.
Pretty sure it's on me. Here, I'll just lead it away from you.
Need to get a safety point.
It does nothing. Your hopes and dreams were for something that's useless.
It
I found
has
another one!
use to me. You actually found another one?
Besides decor.
Quick, just make it back to me. I've
Doing.
blockaded myself in the bath for the GameCube.
Shit.
So Adam, what use does it have?
Nothing. It's just
It's
a
given my
lifetime
life purpose.
Yeah, you already found it. Your life has no purpose now.
Shut up! Don't give me technicalities. Created 2 waypoints for 1 GameCube. Wait,
So
did you get?
Adam,
did
how
you-
about Uno?
How about
Adam, Adam.
Monkey Ball?
Adam.
Put it in the bath for me.
We'll go back to sleep.
No, you're not.
Oh
Get
shit.
your ass on. You need to see GameCube. Did you drop the GameCube?
Yeah, I did. It's like right next
Yes.
to you.
2 of them.
Most holy thing in the world is to see 2
I'm
GameCubes.
going back to sleep now, right?
Alright.
No, not alright.
Your life has no purpose anymore, Adam.
Go the fuck away.
I've just busted a nut.
For a fucking GameCube.
2 GameCubes. I see him chase his silhouette just chase you. Well, I'm nice and hid
I'm
away.
fucking
then open
chugging
you.
fucking water bottles to save myself.
I have nothing in my inventory. I basically.
You want me to like run by with food?
I'm fine. I've got 100 health.
Ow fuck. Ow fuck.
I'm not leaving till I'm safe. I need to get a
Fucking
picture of
help
these
me.
I need to get a picture of these 2 GameCubes and a TV. And then
Help
that'll
me,
be my
Adam!
future. I'd love to help you, but
GameCube.
yeah, that's the answer. GameCube. Or GameCubes at this point.
Why do you call them Games Cubes?
Because there's 2 of them.
No, it's just called Game Cubes.
Yeah, there's GameCubes and there's the multiple.
Or the way that you fucking British people say it, games cubes or some shit.
Yeah, GameCube.
Because our version of English is way better than yours.
Yours is the modded version.
And everything that's modded makes it way better.
And cheated.
Get in here, big boy. Oh shit!
I can sell these on
Oh,
eBay
shit!
for £5 each.
Why do they
Or
have
if
smart
we can-
AI to where they can climb shit? I don't like that at all.
I don't know, but they can run. I don't know why, but it looks like they run faster than us, even when we're sprinting. Are you still running?
Yeah.
Did you set a waypoint?
No, I just remember where we built it.
No.
It's that fucking godlike memory of where we built shit.
I'm just happy with my game's use.
Oh shit, that's another one. I should not go that way.
Wait, you found another games cube?
No, another fucking tall boy.
No.
Oh, that's.
They're worthless. That doesn't sound like the happy sound of someone that found a games cube.
Excuse me, the store is now closed. You can fuck off, please.
So, the store's now closed? Yeah, you can die now. Murder's now legal.
Well, I mean, like, no one can get in. Not even the cops can get in whenever it's closing hours.
Well, it is a Swedish store. What do you expect?
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
There's 8 holes on these games cubes. Time to fill them up.
Wait.
Don't question it.
Adam!
How you doing?
Hello. Did that other employee, like, leave you alone? Yep.
They never even questioned me.
He just left you alone with the GameCube.
Now, I need to go get a photo with these 2
Beautiful
games
gems.
cubes and a TV.
There's another one on the other side, okay? I'm using it for a roof.
There's one on the other side, you say? Right, where's the table gone from it?
It's it was where I used for like a slight ceiling for you whenever you're in the bathtub.
I'll have to find somewhere to place these while I, So if someone comes by and robs these games cubes, I will murder their grandchild.
It's like in the near future where they still remember the moment where they stole a GameCube in a fucking kid's game. It's just like, yeah, and little Jimmy, I stole a GameCube from some British guy. 2 of them actually,
Yeah.
in game.
And that's why your older brother was half retarded.
And like the second that he's like done finishing that sentence, it's just like a hard knock against the door. I have come to get my GameCubes back.
That's why we live underground in a secure basement, so he can't get us.
Dad, what the fuck is wrong with you?
They walk out, I instantly murder them.
Just like, oh shit.
I told you it would happen. You stole my games cube. I'll take their lives.
You stole my GameCubes, I'll steal your eyes.
I can't place the fucking games cube on the table. Get your ass on the table. There we go. I have to drop them.
You have to actually physically fucking drop them.
That's valuable stuff I could be breaking there. Yeah, most people flex like
Dropping,
big brand
like
stuff.
literally like dropping iPhone 11s from fucking 11 stories high.
Yeah, I flex 2 games cubes. Your name's in the background. He's just walking through the TV.
I got a bed.
So you walk through the TV, jumping about.
No, that's just what's
Right,
on screen.
okay.
It's like the game you're playing. It's a retard.
I'm just about to take a photo. Your name just slowly walks back in between the 2 games cubes.
I found a bed.
Fuck's sake, I almost got a perfect photo and then just boom, 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 jumping across. I can't get rid of the playlist at the top. There we go.
You pressed tab, I
Yes,
think.
yes, I have it.
Nice.
That will be my new thingy. What's it called? Profile picture.
It'll be your new profile picture on every single thing you use from now on. Twitch, Discord, YouTube. You become famous online because you did this. You did this really epic moment in gaming history.
I found 2 games cubes.
Yes. I'm still building the ceiling.
I'm still minding games cubes. Why they hollow? That's my question.
Because they don't really have any engineering in them.
Yeah, mine was like the one that's in the fucking garage at the moment. It's like a fucking brick. This just looks like all them fucking crates you see when you go to the markets that has fucking oranges in it.
Like it's a free model. You don't really expect much from it.
God, sorry, I took the photo on an angle. I need to get a better angle. Right, take it from this kind of angle, do I? Let me change the fucking photo. God, I need to take the photo to do this. Your name just appeared as soon as I went to go click the photo.
It's like a curse. By the way, I made a perfect door frame. It's my life achievement.
There we go. Life is complete. Now, if I pick up this table, I do not take the 2 games cubes with me, apparently.
Yeah, you don't take them with you. You have to pick them up individually.
Oh, that's going to take forever.
It gives you the satisfaction of holding the GameCube.
I can't draw. I have to. Why is it such a horrible holding mechanic?
Whenever it's red, that means you can't drop it. Whenever it has nothing around it, means you just drop it normally. If it's green, it's anchored.
No, but look, I can hold it in the air, and it's green, and it just drops.
And I also don't think that one has an anchor mechanic either. I don't think those things can really anchor.
No, they can't. They're fucking retarded. I have to hold
No,
about
that's
10
because
feet.
that's because they're like ancient items. They're not really meant to be anchored.
Just saying, them tall fuckers can jump over our thing.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm building a roof. Did I just whistle?
Yeah, I think you just did.
How did I whistle? I want to do it again.
Yeah, so I'm giving us some jail bars.
What button did I fucking press to whistle?
Nothing
Oh
really.
god, press Z.
Oh
yeah, I forgot you're on.
We have no lights.
I can run out and get them. Don't worry. Get back in.
Come with me, lights. There we.
I need one of these chairs to plug a hole. Give me a minute.
I'm just getting as many as. Where's the games cubes? I've got to place them over here just randomly. Let me drop the stupid lamp. How's that anchored in midair?
Don't ask questions.
I am asking questions. If the games cubes get stolen, I will go on a quest to hunt the fucker down. I will get them to give me their Discord and I will yell at them with almighty power.
What's all your British power?
Yes. I will make them wish they never slipped out of the condom. Oh fuck. One's coming.
I got him. Why'd you lead him inside? Oh, he's stuck now.
In there with the games cubes. I'm coming, babies.
No, here,
I'm
I'll
not.
go get them.
I'll get one, you get the other. Got it. Let's go.
It's a fucking dip. Let's go.
Why am I not? Oh, I was sprinting. They cover up so much for you.
But yeah, you can see through them.
We need to find someone else's base that's semi-good. Kick them out and move them with the games cubes.
Don't run that way. Ooh, look, a bunch of medkits.
I believe something's more important.
What is this thing over here? A bunch of retarded shit happened over here.
Probably just retards. Oh dear God, I just ran into it.
We can use this as a temporary hut. You have to crouch to get in.
This is not a hut. I just locked myself in.
Did you? No, you didn't. We're gonna sit here and start opening.
I'll change my profile picture. I'm happy. My life is. I can hear someone downstairs in the cupboards. I don't know if it's one of my parents or the fucking dog.
Probably it's the dog.
So the dog can get in the cupboards. That's a scary thing.
You know the voice actor for Soldier 76?
Yeah.
He died today.
Did he?
Yeah, Rick May.
How old was he?
Hold on, I'm actually gonna check. I just got a notification saying he died today. Rick May. Wait, no, he's a soldier. He's a soldier from Team Fortress 2. A voice actor for best known PC gamers for his portrayed for the gruff talking soldier in Team Fortress 2 has died after contracting COVID-19. His death was reported by the Rekindle School, an independent art, acting, and film school in Seattle, Washington, where May was a teacher.
Oh yeah, Rick May.
That's so fucking sad.
How old was he? That's my main question.
79 years old.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't think it was that old. Ah!
What?
I got punched! I got punched! I'm getting punched!
Run away!
Ow. Oh, no, it's not that. I need food. I need energy.
Oh, here.
Take my games cube if I don't live on.
Eat.
The games cube's gonna kill
Let's
me.
eat.
It won't place. I can't drop the games cube. I'm dead.
No, place
I'm
it
gonna
where
die.
it's green.
Quick, just run back to the games. Right.
No, I'll keep them here.
Create a way marker. It's fine.
I'm gonna hide them in this little cubby hole.
Shit. Now which marker is it?
One of the few. We are by...
I deleted the first one, so it's the one. I found a big fortress. Oh, it's got retards on it. Fuck's sake. I'm not letting them look at the games cubes.
We are at
They're not
B3.
worth it. B3. What's this one?
Where are you at?
Oh, this is B5. Yeah, I just run. Yeah, this is the straight. It's the right one. I wonder if I have food this time.
We got you a whole fucking meal waiting.
So I've basically just found a whole piece. You know, you get like the food things. I've just rubbed one on them, except for the beans.
No, I literally have a stack of fucking pizzas waiting for you. Like a perfect stack of pizza.
I'm nearby. Is that a medkit I spy?
Hello.
Yes, I'm robbing medkits.
Over here. Over here. Come over.
I see.
Your children. Your children are over here.
I've basically got like spamming a med. Oh, not a medkit. Fucking.
Yoink.
I just cleared stuff in my inventory for that.
Come over here. I have a full-on fucking like feast over here for you.
Jesus!
I was stockpiling.
Have you been panic buying or something?
Yeah.
No. More importantly, where are they?
In there, inside the cubby.
They're nice and safe. That's
Yeah,
the
they're in
most
here. They're
important
both
thing.
stacked on top of each other.
Can we not? Why can we not pick up the plate? That's stupid. Why have...
You can't. Just the thought of it, you can't.
I want to pick it up now.
You can have 8 waypoints if you pay 10 Robux in this game.
For what?
You can have a personal watch, which tells you the time and how much time you have left until daytime. And quadruple the amount of waypoints, which means you have 8 waypoints for 10.
What, just 10 Robux for all
10
that?
Robux for 8, 10 Robux for 8 waypoints and 8 Robux for a watch.
So, overall, 18 Robux. That's not too bad, to be fair.
Well, yeah, and you're the guy, yeah, and you're saying that while you have a fucking commando.
Don't question it.
I don't even have 8 Robux, I have 1.
I think I have 23 Robux left. Yeah, the commando costs like fuck all. It's only 1,000, I think, at the moment.
It was definitely buffed. Hold on, I'm gonna search up the commando price.
So it's roughly normally like 1,000, maybe 900 normally.
What the how is it so low?
I don't know. So I'm deciding if I want to get the virtual commando that's 2,719 at
Are
the
you gonna make
moment.
yourself the fucking Lord of Emos again?
Yeah, but I'll be using green instead of purple. So I've got the exact same outfit I'm wearing, but in green and black and green instead of black and yellow.
I might get the Arctic Commando. Actually, wait, no, that shit's way too expensive. That's 150k.
Jesus!
Just for a white
Well,
version
then-
of yours.
I don't have anything worth anywhere near that.
Yeah.
I only think my wrap's about at most when it goes to about 2,000.
My wrap is like 2,000 right now.
Mine's gone right down because you know the headset earphone things I've got.
Which ones?
I forgot their actual name. Give me a minute.
Look at them because I actually remember a lot of their names. Oh, those, the gamer headset.
I have no clue what they are. I bought them ages ago. When it was 500.
Should we just comment on what the fuck I look like real quick?
Well,
How do you go third
Have you
person?
got
I forgot how to.
wait, can you even go in third person?
Yeah, you can. I'm just looking up how.
I don't even know you could go in third person in this game.
Extra menu. Q. Inventory run. Whistle is H. Settings Q line X. Zoom. There was a way of going first person in the past.
Oh, by the way, it's 50 seconds till night.
Fuck. Get in here. Get in the cuck shed.
I want a light this time. Quick, just go grab as many lights as you can. Just shove them in there.
It's gaming time. Out my way. Oh, we have a big boy, a big hunker man over here.
That's actually a good thing. He can't get us. I've got a ceiling light. Shit.
Fucking run away.
I think we're fine for this lights at the moment.
Run.
There we go.
There we go, we're perfect.
I do not remember the orange bits been on the games. Can I remember all like these fucking buttons? And, like,
How are you like
to
doing a
open the fucking
360?
lid.
How are you doing like a 360 almost instantly? Just look
Because I'm in first person. I'm in first person. I don't know why,
How in
and
the
I can't get out. I can just spin really fast.
Oh my
you know?
god, you spinned so far, so fast that you went outside the fucking thing.
Oh shit! I did dinner.
Get in.
I'll just-
Get
I'll
in,
just
I'll
destroy
seal
the
it back up, I'll seal
interior.
it back up.
I didn't even know that was possible.
Yeah, it's a Roblox coach that's been in the game for almost forever. You spin too fast. You like glitch your character through.
I'm safe this time. I'm just gonna give myself an epileptic fit before this happens. Oh, they called the Dulux gaming headset. Jesus, they've gone down low.
What was the gaming headset used? Old price.
It was normally roughly. It used to always be above like 1,000.
Oh fuck, my fucking mouse.
At
stopped
most,
working.
it goes to about 5,500,
My mouse.
and now
stopped
it's just
working
gone down lately. This year, it's just gone down.
again. My mouse stopped working. Hold on.